back again on another camping trip. This is the beginning of April, and we expected a lot of rain this month, but I'm kind of nervous to go and see what we're gonna find. Maybe snow. Family camping trip to Hurkey Creek. Family camping trip. This is Highway 74 going up to Idyllwild.
Shelter, we have heaters. Like it. I'm scared of their rain, plan to go build a fire.
We made it to the campgrounds, Hurkey Creek campgrounds, and it is snowing. And the creek runs along right there, behind these bushes. You can hear it. This is our pop-up tent. Remember Smart? I think it's a 10-person. Snow stop. It's freezing. I got these at Amazon. Perfect for picnic tables. Comes in handy. Comes with. They're very thick, sturdy. That was a good buy. So we're almost done setting up here, and we're about to have some of this Prop 12 Irish whiskey. It was our 10-year wedding anniversary not too long ago. Look, I say last week. Cheers to us. We're about to have a shot. Cheers to us.
Cheers.
Cheers to you. Camp life. Oh yeah. Getting our bed ready. Kids are ready. They got their disco bed. Snowing. It just started to snow.
No, hailing.
Oh, hailing. Okay.
Yeah. They're starting to go away.
Getting harder, lower, getting harder, lower.
Okay, now just that here.
Amen.
You should be that paper around the tent.
We got snow. Snow's coming down all around. It's snowing.
Do you need to use the restroom?
Yes, let's go.
Aww. It's snowing. It's like Christmas.
Tonight's dinner, chili beans and cheese. What? Some cheese. We got the fire going.
Let's go.
Ooh, some cornbread. Some whiskey. Good morning, campers. It's day 2. Getting ready and making some coffee. Good morning, fam. We have some snow on the ground still from last night. It's breakfast time. Let's do some biscuits and gravy with sausage. Biscuits and gravy with sausage. So we're on our way to Lake Hemet. It's literally a minute away from Hurkey Creek campgrounds. We're just gonna go take a look. We reserved a spot in June. So we're just gonna take a quick look and then keep an eye out for my next video in June. Here we are, just setting up. Let's go hang out with the family along the creek, Hurkey Creek. Along the creek.
Hurkey Creek. What do you think forms the... Still recording?
So obviously today, second day of camping, was completely different from yesterday's camping. But woke up to a nice day, beautiful, bright and sunny, and clouds are starting to roll back in. I hope it doesn't snow or rain on us again. But right now, we're just getting some wood together, getting some seeds. They must have chopped up some trees today, I don't know, or some time ago, and just left them around. we're just getting ready for tonight. And we're gonna grill up some meat soon.
We're gonna go out to eat.
We're gonna go out to eat. We are gonna go out and eat. We're gonna get ready for some dinner, making some salad with some tamales.
Making fucking Miller Lite.
And some Irish whiskey.
Irish whiskey.
The kids are off riding bikes. Where they go?
Some of that nobilization right there.
What do we have in here? We got some rice cooking. Taco night.
Taco nobilization. First bite.
How's that? How's my cooking? It's good. Here's our dinner. Nice, beautiful day today. Just cruising around the campsite. Little creek that runs through here.
I don't believe in superstars, organic food and foreign cars. I don't believe the price of good are still alive in Hollywood. That gasoline's in short supply, the rising cost of getting by, but I believe in love.
So there are restrooms here and showers on this side
I believe
of the
in
campground.
old folks. I believe in children. I believe
There's a playground here at Hurkey Creek Campground, right at the entrance of the campground. Here's a restroom, and the showers are right over here. And this is all at the beginning of the campground entrance, so it's not too bad. This is the women's, and then the men's are on this other side. Definitely recommend Hurkey Creek Campground in Idyllwild, California. So we are now in the group campground on the other side of Hurkey Creek Campground. I will add the link to Hurkey Creek Campground if you're interested or need to book an event.
It's all lonely over
And his teeth are gone. But what the heck? I thought that he walked on water.
She has a Rice Krispie treat.
Yeah, Which one do you use this?
How's your s'mores?
Yeah.